Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Shortcuts is available and up to date. This matters because newer triggers and actions appear only on recent iOS. Open Shortcuts and tap Automation now to begin creating. Choose Personal for device-based automations or Home for smart home scenes. Pick the right type so actions run where you expect. Once done, tap the plus to create a new automation and select a trigger category like time of day, app, or NFC. This first choice defines how the automation will launch. You now pick the exact trigger and fine-tune it. Specificity prevents false runs. For example, choose app opens for a single app or battery level drops below 20% to save power. This determines when the chain starts. Next, add actions in order. Toggle Do Not Disturb, set low power mode, send a message, or run a shortcut. Make sure to use conditional actions like if and wait to handle timing and exceptions because sequencing controls reliability and prevents unwanted behavior. You finish by verifying settings and testing. Turn off Ask before running when you want hands-free execution, but leave it on for risky actions. Tap Done and run the automation manually or trigger its event to observe results. Look for missteps or incorrect parameters. If something fails, make sure Shortcuts has required permissions, the triggering condition actually occurred, and any linked apps are allowed background access. If needed, simplify the sequence and add logging actions to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.